I'm Steve, Sales Engineer for Logitech Australia. Thank you for joining me in our unboxing series where we're looking at solutions from your desktop all the way to your meeting space. In this video, we're going to look at RoomMate, your appliance-based solution for your meeting room. RoomMate is your appliance-based solution fitting in with the Rally Plus or a meetup-based room. RoomMate runs CollabOS, which is Logitech's own operating system, and runs applications such as Teams Room on Android and Zoom Rooms, amongst others as well. So come join me as we open the box and see what's inside. In the box, you're going to find your manual and some product information. You'll find your remote control, your power supply, and power cable. The RoomMate is an Android-based platform that is running Logitech's own operating system called CollabOS. CollabOS runs Teams Room on Android, also Zoom Rooms, and also some other platforms as well. On the side, you're going to find all the peripheral connections that we require. We have 3 USB connections, for example, to connect to a tap. We have our network connection here. We have dual display outputs, so 2 HDMI outputs and also a HDMI input. On the other side, if you're familiar with our Rally Bar series, you'll see a power button, Bluetooth button, which also acts as a quick access for settings, and a reset button, which also acts as a quick log send to our pro support team. Using the included mounting bracket and also the compute mount accessory, mounting the RoomMate couldn't be easier. The included bracket will affix to the compute mount with these screws, like so. That'll then affix to a wall, and the RoomMate simply clicks on. The RoomMate remote control will come affixed magnetically to a dock, which you can affix to a wall using the included 3M backing, and ensure when you get your new remote to pull the battery tabs out to activate the remote control. On the remote control, you'll see a bunch of useful buttons. Starting at the top, we have our camera control. This will control your pan, tilt, and zoom. We have a enter button, or alternatively, it's your home camera button. We have a hang up button, we have a return button, we have a volume rocker and a zoom rocker, microphone mute, and also a camera preset button there as well. Thank you for joining me while we've gone through an unboxing and also a setup of our solutions that cover everything from your desktop all the way to your meeting space. If you want more information on the products we've talked about in this video or any other videos, please see the links in the description below. Head over to www.logitech.com and check out some more of our great products. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting subscribe and the bell button so you can be notified when more videos come out. Thank you again. My name's Steve. Until next time.